Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trezor wallet. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, download and install the official Trezor Suite application from the Trezor website onto your desktop. This software is essential for managing your device. Once installed, launch the Trezor Suite and follow the clear, step-by-step on-screen instructions to begin the initialization process for your new Trezor device. After initialization, you'll choose to create a new wallet or recover an existing one using a recovery seed. If creating new, the device will generate a unique 12-word or 24-word recovery seed phrase. It is absolutely crucial to write this down accurately on the provided recovery sheet. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so store it in a very secure, offline place, away from prying eyes and digital threats. Next, you will set a strong PIN for your Trezor device. This PIN protects your device from unauthorized physical access. You'll enter the PIN using the randomized number grid displayed on your Trezor screen, then confirm it by re-entering. Finally, ensure your Trezor's firmware is updated to the latest version. The Trezor Suite will guide you through this process, which is vital for maintaining optimal security and accessing new features. With your Trezor wallet set up, you can now securely send and receive cryptocurrencies directly through the Trezor Suite interface. Remember, always verify all transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, directly on your Trezor device's screen before confirming. This crucial step prevents potential phishing attacks. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.